NumPy installation setup on Windows 11. NumPy is software library used for multi-dimensional arrays and matrix. It is also high-level mathematical functions. Google search box Python download, enter key press python.org download Python, first link click. Python official web page complete display, second option download section lo right side download for Windows. Python latest version 3.14.0 white color button click. Download section lo Python amd64.exe setup file downloading process start, file size 28.5 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo Python exe setup file display. Select mouse double click. Folder minimize. Install Python latest version 3.14.0 64-bit window lo bottom side two options display. First one, use admin privileges when installing py.exe file. Left side box tick mark set. Second one, add python.exe to path. System environment variables. Automatic creation Python path necessary. Left side tick mark set. Mouse left click. Customize installation. Second option select. Optional features. All options. Default tick mark set. Second button next click. Advanced options window install Python 3.14 for all users. Tick mark set. Left side box. Mouse left click. Installation path display. Customize install location. Second button install click. Python window first button yes click. Setup progress window installing Python libraries and setup files, executable files. Installation process start. Wait and here few minutes. Setup was successful. Window display. Close button click. Python installation verify. Desktop Windows search box CMD enter. First option command prompt. Select Python text command enter. Python space hyphen version. Enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.14.0. Next pip command enter. Pip space hyphen version. Enter key press. Installed latest version pip 25.2 and installation default path display. Next installed NumPy command enter. Python space -m space pip space install space NumPy. Enter key press. Collecting NumPy files. Downloading NumPy latest version 2.3.5. File size 12.9 MB. Installing corrected packages NumPy. Wait and here few seconds. Update your pip. Second line python.exe mention. Install this command. Select keyboard shortcut key Control C. As the same paste here command line. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Successfully installed pip latest version 25.3. As the same this command copy. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Command line cursor before set. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Requirement already satisfied. NumPy installed latest version 2.3.5. Desktop Windows search box enter. Ideal Python. First one Ideal Python select. Enter the command import space NumPy space as ny. Enter key press. Next print space open bracket ny dot underscore version underscore close bracket. Enter key press. NumPy installation latest version 2.3.5. Enter the next command. Print. Enter key press. Output executed. Jar take info.